The June 2023 Google Pixel feature drop is here, and we have all the new features in detail here for you. Every 3 months, Google drops a set of new and exciting features for Pixel owners and wearers. Google always releases the new features to Pixel devices first, before the rest of the Android world receive them. This is just one of the many reasons to become a Pixel user. Here's a rundown of all the fun goodies the company just announced. There are some really useful features coming with this feature drop. Firstly, Pixel users get new widgets. Google is introducing all new Google TV, Google Finance, and Google News widgets for Pixel phones and Pixel tablet. You'll be able to check up on your entertainment recommendations with the Google TV widget. If you want to keep an eye on the stocks, you can use the Google Finance widget. Also, you'll have a quick view of the latest news for the Google News widget. If you have a child who's learning how to read, then this feature will be perfect for them. It's called Reading Practice. Basically, if you have a compatible phone or tablet, your device will listen to your child read, and it will give them feedback on how the child reads. It seems like it'll be compatible with select electronic book services. Reading Practice is coming to Pixel now and all other Android devices in the US later this year. It is a new reading tutor for children baked into Google Play Books. The company notes that the feature also works with no-charge media. Ready to customize and cook up your very own emojis? The Emoji Kitchen feature landed on Gboard in 2020 and lets Pixel users mash 2 common emojis together to form a new hybrid emoji. We've seen plenty of changes to Emoji Kitchen in the past 3 years, but the latest update allows users to craft summer-themed emoji stickers that can be sent to friends, family, and colleagues in these warmer months. The feature is available worldwide for Pixel devices. Pixel Watch Wear Oz is getting lots of love in this update. The Spotify DJ lets users play a personalized list of content from their heavy rotation or favorite podcasts. A new selection of complications and widgets are also coming to Pixel Watch devices where Spotify is supported. Google Wallet on Pixel Watch is receiving sporting event ticket support. Google Keep Notes can now add a single note as a tile to your smartwatch. Access a note or a to-do list straight from your watch. You can make and pin the note all from your smartwatch, so you don't have to access your phone for it. Google is also announcing a new feature for Google One on Android devices and supported browsers, dubbed the Dark Web Report. The feature allows users in the US to run scans of their email addresses to check for security compromises. at&t users can also scan their social security numbers in the same way. If exposed, it will give you guidance on actions that you can take to protect yourself. It's extremely useful if you care about your privacy. If you want to keep up with all the news going on with Google Pixel and Android, please subscribe to our channel and turn notifications on. We will keep you updated with the top headlines dealing with the Android operating system and how it's changing and evolving, as well as everything else in the mobile tech world.